All right, investors, my name is Chris Knight, Business Development Manager here with Red Door Property Management, and this month we are bringing you a new market report, Lebanon, Indiana. We are starting to take a new focus on this market with new developments and employment opportunities expected to take shape over the next couple years with lots of room for real estate growth. Let's jump in, take a look at what we see. All right, jumping into an all-new market here for Red Door Property Management, we are going to start keeping an eye here in Lebanon, Indiana. So due to the enormous job growth potential we're seeing here over the next really 1 to 5 years as far as a time frame, but we want to keep an eye on this market as we do think it'll be an expanding investor market over the next few years. Now, just quickly running through some of the numbers, as it's a pretty minimal subsection of data that we have, but we're looking at 15 active homes currently in the market. And what I want to divert here to quickly is this market graph here right in the middle. We are seeing in a pretty astonishing numbers here, a $400 decrease in your average monthly rent compared to the previous year. Now, all markets we've seen a little bit of a correction taking place over the last 12 months, but nothing really compared to what's indicated here in the Lebanon market. A $400 price decrease is quite the correction. Now, I do expect we're going to see in the other markets a continued correction happening over really the next 12 months, particularly in the 2024 timeframe. I expect rents to be consistent with where they are now, if not even a slight decrease. So continuing here in the Lebanon market, 15 active homes currently in the market. So it's a pretty small number to really keep an eye on. So it really doesn't give us an accurate average days on market. So we're going to go NA on the average days on market. And then let me move my little bubble here. But the average rents that we're seeing is $1,075 a month. And as we can see, that's about $400 down from the previous year in December at least. Average sales prices. Now keep in mind, this is the Red Door investor point of view that we're keeping track of here, and that is really any homes that have sold under the $500,000 price point, which is primarily a large portion of the Lebanon market, to be honest. But out of those homes that have sold for under $500,000, we average those out, and we're looking at an average sales price of about $313,000 in the Lebanon area. Number of homes sold, 35 homes sold in the month of August, which is down a little bit as we do see currently home sales beginning to stall out, which is really no surprise, right? That's what the Fed has really been gearing towards. And I think the corrections or changes that they've been making to the interest rates on the Fed level are beginning to finally take hold. So that's our current market update for Lebanon. Again, this is going to be a market that we're going to continue to keep an eye on. So you'll want to check back and see what really develops here, really over the long term, again, 1 to 5 years, but it'll be very interesting to see here, even what develops over the next few months.